To fix a closed Cash App account, you need to understand the reasons behind the closure and take the necessary steps to reopen it. First, Cash App may close your account due to various reasons such as suspicious activity, security concerns, or violation of their terms of service. To reopen your closed Cash App account, start by contacting Cash App support directly. You can do this by tapping on the profile icon on the Cash App home screen, then scrolling down and selecting support, and finally, contacting Cash App. If your account is closed, you will not be able to access the app, so you will need to visit the Cash App website and click on the Contact Support link. When you contact Cash App support, provide a clear explanation of the issue and the reason you want to reopen your account. Be honest and provide any required information, such as your name, email address, and phone number associated with the account. Cash App will review your request and may ask for additional information or verification to ensure the account is secure. If your account was closed due to suspicious activity, you may need to verify your identity and provide documentation to prove your identity. Once you have provided the required information, Cash App will review your request and may take several days to respond. If your request is approved, your account will be reopened, and you will be able to access your funds and resume using the app. To avoid having your Cash App account closed in the future, make sure to follow the terms of service and use the app responsibly. This includes verifying your identity, avoiding suspicious activity, and keeping your account information up to date. By following these steps and providing the required information, you should be able to reopen your closed Cash App account. Remember to always use the app responsibly and follow the terms of service to avoid any issues in the future.